Have you ever wondered what it would be like if humanoid robots were part of our daily lives? Imagine a robot that can walk, talk, and even think like us. It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but believe it or not, it's becoming more of a reality with each passing day. In the past, humanoid robots were limited in their capabilities. They were clunky, slow, and required constant supervision. Their dexterity was lacking, making it difficult for them to manipulate objects. Mobility was another major challenge. Most could barely walk, let alone climb stairs or run. Autonomy was virtually non-existent, as they needed humans to operate them constantly. Fast forward to today, and it's a whole different story. Advances in technology have taken humanoid robots to new heights. They now boast improved dexterity, thanks to advancements in both hardware and software. Their mobility has been enhanced, with many able to walk, climb stairs, and even run, all thanks to progress in balance and locomotion algorithms. Furthermore, they've gained increased autonomy, with artificial intelligence and machine learning, allowing them to operate more independently. These advances open a world of possibilities in various sectors. In healthcare, humanoid robots can provide care for the elderly and disabled, and even assist in medical procedures. In manufacturing, they can perform dangerous or repetitive tasks, improving productivity and quality control. In education, they can offer personalized instruction and assistance to students, especially those with disabilities. They can even provide customer service in retail, banking, and airports, and help with household chores. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, humanoid robots are not only capable of learning from data, but also making decisions based on that data, which could lead to potential risks. For instance, a robot might hit an object with too much force, causing it to break. Or it could drop something valuable, causing damage. And of course, there's always the risk of misuse, leading to potential harm. This is not to say that humanoid robots pose an inherent danger. They offer a multitude of benefits, from healthcare to manufacturing to education. The key is to use them responsibly and safely, with proper safeguards and guidelines in place. So, as we stand on the precipice of a new era, it's clear that humanoid robots are not just a figment of our imagination. They are here, they are real, and they are ready to reshape our world. The future of humanoid robots is not just coming, it's already here.